Martinez again. Today we're going to do a healthy snack. It's going to be a fruit kebab. You will need, first of all, you will need a bamboo kebab stick. My ingredients today are strawberries, cantaloupe, and watermelon. You can also do the cantaloupe in balls or in chunks. I sliced my strawberries. Here is our kebab stick. I will show you, it's very easy. And you just alternate. Again, you can use any kind of fruit that you have at home. But this is very delicious, and right now that it is so hot, this is yummy. And I've made another one right here. And like I said, it's a healthy snack, and I hope you enjoy it.